Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two wearables from the company Callme. We have the latest, the C8 Max smartwatch, and the other one, also a popular smartwatch from Callme that is very affordable and lightweight, the Callme P71. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the features available on both smartwatches. So if you are interested to see if how the P71 compare with the C8 Max smartwatch, the latest smartwatch from Callme, watch this video. And again, subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and have the comparison review of the Callme C8 Max smartwatch and the Callme P71 smartwatch. We are going to compare the features, the design, as well as the specs. So at the back here, we do have the details on the features. Both do have a Bluetooth call functionality, weather report, notifications, sleep monitoring, and sports function. For the features or for the specs, let's see. Both do have a 1.9. They almost have the same pixel resolution, much higher, a bit higher for the C8 Max, but for the size of the screen, they almost have the same. For the battery, bigger battery capacity for our Callme C8 Max, we do have 280 mAh. For the P71, 230 mAh. IP68 waterproof for the P71, 180 mAh for the C8 Max. Okay, the same compatibility requirement. Okay, so again, we have the C8 Max before we proceed with the design, and we have the P71. Okay, so let's start with the design first. As you can see, they almost have the same look here, the same placement for the crown button, but on the side, as you can see, there's the addition of buttons here, side button for the C8 Max. Semi-rounded with a curve for our C8 Max, flat for our P71. At the back, plastic body, unibody design for the P71. For our C8 Max, metal body frame on the center, plastic on its back. While for the P71, it's all plastic, but it's a unibody design here, as you can see. Both do have a quick release pin feature for its strap. Let's check on the weight here. Again, for the C8 Max, we do have a metal body frame. For the weight, I think it will be half the weight for our P71 if you compare it with the C8 Max. C8 Max 45 or 46. P71 we do have 40. Just a minor difference, I think, just 10 grams. 45, 15 or 16 grams. Okay, 14 to 16 grams, I think. 15 to 16 grams when it comes to the difference. Okay, if I'm not mistaken with my math. Okay, for the overall look here, let's have a closer look. Okay, seems like they have the same body frame here, the same size for the body frame. Which do you think is better in terms of design? Of course, obviously, we do have the C8 Max here. But I also like the design here of the P71. P71, especially its unibody frame design. Pogo pin for the charging cable. Wireless for our C8 Max. For the menus and features, let's see. On top, we have the settings here. The other one, the same. But I like the UI of P71 here compared to the C8 Max. On the bottom part, okay, notifications for the P71. While for the C8 Max, somewhat like a Windows type. It shows you the popular and common applications. Okay, for the left side, we have the menus, notifications for the C8 Max. On the right side, okay, the different cards, the same functionality, or the same UI design. Go back. To access the main menu, press the power button here. While for our P71, just swipe from left to right. Okay, so let's compare the different menus and features of C8 Max compared with a P71. Okay, so we have here the sports function, sports record, so different style. We do have the Bluetooth call, voice assistant, exercise. We do have the sports here, so different name, just the same feature. Walking, running, cycling. So here are the list of sports function for both smartwatches. Okay, both have a comprehensive list of sports function. Other sports. Okay. So we have here the categories. Going back. So we have, what else do we have? Exercise records, telephone, voice assistant. Do we have a heart rate? Do we have a blood pressure here? Yes, we do have a blood pressure. Let's see the UI of the heart rate. We have the heart rate. Okay, so different style. Exercise record. We have the Zen mode, alarm. We also have the flashlight, the timer. We almost have the same features here, I think. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, seems like they both do have the same features. Settings, timer. Okay, we don't have a relaxation here on the P71. We have it here on our C8 Max. We have a calculator. Yes, we have a calculator. AI voice. Do we have the AI voice assistant? Okay, we have it here also. We also have some games. Okay, we have the stocks. We have the Muslim. For the settings, let's see. Display. Preferences. Dial settings. Then disturb mode. QR code. So more features here for our C8 Max. We have a dynamic island. We don't have it here. Do we have a dynamic island? No, we don't have. Time settings. Gesture. We also have here a gesture. And we don't have it here on our P71. Okay. Again. Let's take a look at the menus and features. So which do you think is better when it comes to the offered features? They have the same sports function. Both have a Bluetooth call support. Okay. Let's see. Let's change this one. Okay, so this is not rotary, as you can see. While this one, it has a rotary function. Let's see the black border. So much slimmer, I think, for our C8 Max. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the design as well as the menus and features of the C8 Max smartwatch compared with our P71. If you want a simple, wearable, very affordable, go for the P71. It is also lightweight. But if you want a much elegant looking design with a metal body frame, go for the C8 Max smartwatch, and with additional features as you can see on our video. So that's it for the comparison review. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.